If you are in position to help someone, to help them. The God may just answering that person prayer through you. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about monthly prediction month of August 2020. My all prediction are based on your ascendant sign, and my all prediction are based on Indian Vedic astrology, nothing to do with Western astrology. So guys, first of all, we all are seeing a very difficult time. This is a COVID-19, and the whole world is mess up. I just request to my all viewers, if you are able to help someone, must help someone, because humanity need our help. So guys, if you are able to do something good for others, must do. God will give you a lot of blessings. So now I am going to talk about monthly prediction. Let's talk for the Aries Ascendants. For Aries Ascendants, this whole month brings a lot of positivity for you. First 16 days will be a game changer for you. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. Your business will be sky high. Your business will be promoted. If you are unemployed, you may get job. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. Your parents will support you. You will enjoy good health. Your positive energy take you on another level. But you need to be careful health of your mother till 16th August, because Mercury transit in your 4th house from your ascendants. Mercury is in 4th house, is good for learning, is good for business, is good for trading, it's good for making money and hidden savings and hidden knowledge, but it is not good for your mother health. If your birth chart Mercury not well placed, so you must take care of your mother health, because this 16 days, this 15 days from 2nd of August to 16th of August not good for your mother health. Overall, you will be sky high, you will be in top. If you are involved in any legal matter in past, then this is a time your all legal matter will be sorted out. You will enjoy all type of comforts, you will be on top, you will enjoy marital happiness, your spouse will support you, your kids will support you, you will enjoy thoroughly this month. First part of the month is a highly beneficial for you. Second part is also good, but compared to first part is one of the ultimate days for you, when new business deal will knock you, when new people will enter in your life, and you may enter in a new horizon, business horizon in your life. You may start a new business with your near and dear one, and that business will give you a lot of profits in near future. Aries Ascendants, this is a time when you will be sky high, but unexpected expenditures will be irritated, because your Ascendant Lord Mars transit in your 12th house till 16th of August. So guys, you need to be careful about your over expenditures, save your money, don't overspend, and those people who are working in a foreign company, or those people who are interested to travel in foreign land, then first 15-16 days will be a game changer. You will get approval, you will get visa, or you may travel foreign land due to your business reason or due to your job. So Aries Ascendants, overall this is a very positive month for you. You enjoy with the quality time with your family and friends, but you need to be careful health of your mother. And now I'm going to talk about Taurus Ascendants. Taurus Ascendants, this whole month, your ruling planet Venus transit in your 2nd house with Rahu, conjunction with Rahu. So first of all, sorry, a lot of money will knock you, your savings will rise, you will be sky high, your family will support you, but your family may offer you something very good, which will be very positive for you, very good for your mental peace. You will enjoy all type of mental peace, but Venus is hemmed between Rahu Ketu. You need to be careful about your health. Special skin related trouble will irritate you, stomach related trouble will irritate you. Your eating habits may change in this month, so don't try to eat non-veg, especially Taurus Ascendants. This whole month brings lot of opportunity for you. Promotion is also seen in your transit if Dasha is supporting and Mahadasha is supporting. Overall guys, this is a time when you all will be a sky high. You will get a lot of financial gains, and your family and friends will support you, and there's a chances to short distance journey is also seen in your birth chart. Jupiter is in your 8th house and creating a Vipreet Raj Yoga for your ascendants, being a lord of 11th house and the 8th house, transit in 8th house in retrograde motion. This is also very beneficial position for Jupiter. Those people who are involved in any type of research or any type of education related to research, they will get success. They will achieve our goals and milestones, because Jupiter is in 8th house, will give you a lot of occult science knowledge. So if you become astrologer, then this is the right time to learning astrology, because Jupiter is in 8th house. Saturn is in your 9th house in retrograde motion. You will get success after struggle. Your struggle will be your struggle will pay off you, but after some hard work or some struggle. Overall, Taurus Ascendants, this is a very promising month for you. You will enjoy a lot of happiness, lot of financial gains, lot of you can say family atmosphere also you will enjoy in the month of August 2020. So I'm praying for your happy future. Now I'm going to talk about Gemini Ascendants. Gemini Ascendants, your Ascendants Lord transit in your 2nd house. This is a very good time for making money. You will save your money, your family will support you. Any type of, if you are involved in any type of litigation, your problem will be sorted out and you will enjoy a lot of peace of mind. But Saturn is transit in your 8th house from your ascendants in retrograde motion and create dhaiya on your ascendants or moon sign. This is not a very productive transit of Saturn. You need to achieve your goals with great hard work. You need to do some struggle and great hard work. After that, you will reach your milestone. Overall, this whole month, due to the Mercury placed in your 2nd house, your family will support you, your friends will support you. You will get unexpected money from your job. Your savings will be rise. You will enjoy all type of comforts. Your mind will be very fresh because Jupiter aspecting is on your 1st house in Gemini sign. You will enjoy a lot because Jupiter transit in your 7th house. Spouse will help you. Those people who are in affair, their affair will turn in a marriage. So your family or your girlfriend or boyfriend family will give you support to turn your relationship in your marriage. So this is a very, very promising month for Gemini, especially in the terms of savings, making money and personal relationship. Now I'm going to talk about Cancer. Cancer Ascendants, for you, Saturn is transit in your retrograde motion in 7th house. You are in deep depression in whole this month. You're feeling very alone. You're not comfortable. Your family atmosphere will be irritating. Even you are start fighting with your family members or your friends. Friends are not supporting you. You are always getting irritated. But Jupiter is blessed you because transit in your 6th house in retrograde motion in on sign. But overall, Saturn aspect is on your 1st house, creates some mental issues. You need to be careful about your health. You need to be careful about your stress or depression. No need to think too much. Just do your best and wonders. You will be on top after some time, after September, when Saturn is in direct motion, after I think 22nd of September, 23rd of September. No, I'm sorry, after 29th of September, when Saturn goes direct, you will be in a good zone. But in the month of August, you will face a lot of hurdles, struggle, tension, and you can say your friends and your family are not supporting you the way you expected. So Cancer Ascendants, stay positive and worship Lord Shiva. Read Shiv Chalisa every day morning. Read 108 name of Lord Shiva every day morning and night. Overall, this is a bit struggling month for you, but source of earning will be good. You will earn multiple source of earning. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance, but you are not happy the way you are because you are not mentally fresh. You are in depression, you are in tension, you are not feeling positive, you are always getting upset, and even you are not interested to do anything in related to your personal life as well as professional life. So you need to be positive. This is a bit struggling time due to a retrograde Saturn. Degreeically, a strong aspect is on your 1st house. Now I'm going to talk about Leo Ascendants. Leo Ascendants, for you, lot of unexpected gains will knock you. Money will knock you from hidden source. If you are in real estate business or if you are in selling of any type of vehicle, you will get unexpected gains. Your friends and family will support you, but relationship with your spouse will be under shadow. You don't abuse, don't use harsh word with your spouse or with your family. Overall, in the terms of business, you may enter in a new business horizon, new business zone in this month. Lot of new opportunities will knock you, lot of new partners will knock you, and your all efforts will convert in sweet success. You will get lot of benefits from your investments, old investment as well as new investment. If you want to invest your money in stock market or intraday or any type of forex investment, this is one of the ultimate days for you. So guys, you need to be positive, stay strong, stay happy. This month will give you a lot of opportunity, lot of peace of mind, but you need to be careful and alert while talking with your spouse. Now I'm going to talk about Virgo Ascendants. Virgo Ascendants, for you, your all desires and wishes will be fulfilled. you will get a support from higher authority. If you are willing to take any loan from government, then this is the right time. Mercury is in your 11th house. Your all desires will be fulfilled through your friends. You will be in a big social circle. Your network circle will give you, or any type of your friend will give you a good advice, which will be act like a game changer for you. You will get money from multiple areas. You will earn money from multiple source, and your elder siblings will support you, your friends will support you, and your vision will be big. You start any new venture, and that venture will change your whole life. Your ascendant lord is in 11th house. This is one of the ultimate placement of the Mercury. These 15 days will be a game changer for you. If you want to start new business, you can start. If you want to enter in a new partnership, you can enter. This is a time when you will be top, when fortune started smile for you, and your parents and your friends and your social circle will help you a lot. Virgo ascendant, some unexpected money will knock you if you are already investing your money in stock market, because 11th house is a 7th house from 5th house. So Mercury aspecting is on your 5th house, being a lord of your first house. You will get lot of recognition. 5th house is a Lakshmi Sthan, 11th house is a house of gains, materialistic and spiritual. You will get lot of peace of mind. You will enjoy all type of comforts, and you will get lot of success during these days. Second part of the August, little bit struggling for you, but you will get new contract for overseas land. You may involve any type of new project which is linked with foreign land, because Mercury enter in your 12th house from your ascendants after 16th August to end of the month. So guys, this whole month will give you lot of positivity, with lot of good gains, smart gains, and unexpected money will knock you. That is for sure. Don't think negative, just think positive and do your best. You will be sky high. This is my prediction for you, Virgo. Now I'm going to talk about Libra ascendant. Libra ascendant, this whole month will give you mixed fruit. First part of the month is a bit struggling for you. You are not in a comfort zone. You are not enjoy your personal life as well as professional life. Professional life, you are under great stress, because your seniors expected lot of work from you, which you are doing your best, but you are unable to satisfy your seniors. So you concentrate on your work and do your best, because this is bit struggling time, especially 1st of August to 17 August. This is not very promising days for you, special for your mental stress, personal life as well as professional life. Don't speak harsh word with your spouse. Try to be in a good relationship. Keep calm with your life partner. But overall, source of earning will be good, and you will get some unexpected gains. There is no doubt, if you are already investing your money in real estate or stock market. But overall, August month will be a mix for you. Sometime you are in a good mood, sometime you are in a negative mood. So please start meditation every day morning, or yoga. That will be very good for you. Otherwise you will be suffer in the month of August, especially mentally, because mentally you are not satisfied. Your seniors are not satisfied from your performance. Your wife is not satisfied from your from your dealing with your spouse or your kids. So think positive. This is a matter of small time. When planets will change after the month of August, you will be bounced back and you will be top again. Now I am going to talk about Scorpio ascendants. Scorpio ascendants, month of August will bring lot of happiness for you. In the terms of finance, you may enter in a new partnership deal which will linked in a foreign land. And second, Jupiter is in on sign in your 2nd house. Your family will support you, and there is some happy moments I seen as per transit in your family. Like you may get involved in engagement, you may get involved in any type of ceremony in your family. Scorpio ascendants, some unexpected money will knock you, and you become very spiritual. Because in the month of September, Ketu enter in your 1st house, and degreegally Ketu slowly near to the cups of Scorpio ascendants. So you become very spiritual. You start meditation automatically. You start yoga automatically. This is a time when new friends will make your life happy, and you will enter in a new horizon of your life, when all things will work in your favor. Your fortune started smile for you, and you will get a big support from your near and dear or your close friend, which will act like a game changer for you. Lot of new investment, you will invest in stock market or real estate. This is very beneficial time for you. If you are willing to invest your money in stock market or real estate, you must invest, because your money will give you lot of profits near future. Now I'm going to talk about Sagittarius ascendant. Sagittarius ascendant, as per dynamic position, Jupiter is in your first house. You will be blessed from the divine grace. Your all pending work will click in the month of August. You are a person, you become very spiritual. You try to visit temple, or you start any type of worship at your home. Even you start yoga or meditation, because Jupiter is already in your first house with Ketu. And Ketu and Jupiter conjunction, Ketu always enhance the good result of Jupiter. So guys, for Sagittarius ascendants, your daily income will rise. If you're a businessman, you will get a lot of finance, you will get a lot of income. If you're a businessman, some foreign deals will make you happy, some new friends will make you happy. This is a time when you will be sky high, and your all desires and your all wishes will be fulfilled, because divine grace is helping you. If Jupiter is in first house, is on sign with Ketu, this is one of the ultimate times for you. But guys, you need to be careful relationship with your spouse, because Rahu is in your 7th house. This is not well placement of the Rahu. So you need to be careful and alert while dealing with your spouse, and be polite and calm in your personal relationship. Overall, this whole month will bring a lot of happiness, lot of success, lot of finance, and lot of new opportunities. That is all up to you, which opportunity you will grab, or which opportunity you are thinking a lot or wasting your time. Don't waste your time, and if you get any opportunity, invest your money, you will get bundles of results. A very awesome month for you, Sagittarius. Now I'm going to talk about Capricorn. Capricorn ascendants, this whole month, you will be suffer from your personal relationship. You will be suffer from your husband side or wife side. Some legal matters will irritate you. Your money spent on legal matters. Your money spent on unexpected expenditures, and you may involve in any type of litigations. This month will give you some mental stress related to your personal life. Your life is not going as per your expectations. You will be under the influence of the Saturn, because Saturn is retrograde in your first house, and aspecting is on your 7th house, which is a house of your spouse and daily income. Your desires, especially sexual desires, is not very good during in the month of August through your spouse. You are thinking very negative about your spouse, or about your marriage life, because this whole month will give you a lot of stress and tension related to your personal life. But in the front of job or business, you are sky high. Your fortune is in your favor. Those people who are working in any type of foreign company, they will get promoted. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance at your workplace. If you're a businessman, you will be top. You will be rise a lot. You will be enter in a new horizon. You may book any new order that which is linked from the foreign land, because the Jupiter transit in your 12th house. If you are in job, then your seniors will be happy from your performance, and there is a strong chances you get promoted in the month of August, especially second part of the month. Now I'm going to talk about Aquarius ascendants. Aquarius ascendants, month of August will be a game changer month for you. Some unexpected money will knock you, and lot of new friends will enter in your life, and new business partnership, a big business partnership I seen as per transit. Rahu is in your 5th house in Gemini sign, and Ketu is in your 11th house with Jupiter. This is one of the ultimate positions of the Rahu, Ketu and Jupiter. You will get unexpected money from unexpected source. If you are investing your money in forex trade, you will get bundles of profits. If you are investing your money in stock market, intraday or long-term investment, then you will be top, you will be sky high, and your fortune started smile for you. Your family will support you, but health of your spouse will be under matter of concern. Your spouse health is not good, and your stomach problem will irritate you. Aquarius ascendants, you need to be careful about your health, because your digesting system will irritate you, and some liver related infection seen as per transit. You need to be careful and alert, because this is not a very good time for related to your stomach issues or health issues. Rest, if you are a businessman, if you are a stockbroker, if you are dealing in real estate, your all hard work will pay off you in a nice way. You will get bundles of gain, unexpected money will knock you, lot of good things will knock you, and your all vision will be clear. Rest of 5-6 months of 2020, your all vision will be clear, because you automatically understand which type of earning you will earn in next few months, because transit are helping you. Transit are very promising for Aquarius ascendants. If you are investing your money in stock market or intraday, believe me, you will get fantastic profit, wonderful results you will get. Now I'm going to talk about Pisces ascendants. Pisces ascendants, month of August 2020 is a game changer month for you. You will be sky high, you will be top in the terms of business. Some new business partner will enter in your life, and you will enjoy all type of materialistic comforts. You will enjoy all type of luxury. Relationship with your father will be sky high. Relationship with your spouse will be sky high. Your family and your spouse will be supporting you. This whole month will bring a lot of happiness to you. Some unexpected money from foreign land knock you. If you are counselor, if you are motivational speaker, if you are lecturer or teacher, you will get promoted. This whole month will bring a lot of happiness for you, and your savings will rise, your finance will be upgrade, and you will enjoy all type of comforts which you never expect. As per dynamic position, you may buy new car in the month of August 2020. So Pisces ascendants, enjoy your month and must help any needy people. If you able to do something good for other, don't avoid, because this is a very struggling time for humanity. This is my request for all my viewers. So keep watching Astrologer Amit Kapoor. I will be back with another video soon. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam.